वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का वीडियो होने वाला है 20 अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स विच इज़ अंडर 200 in skincare category. Obviously, we all love skincare products, but it does not need to be very expensive and bougie at the time. You can find the hidden gems which is affordable and which works out for you all the time and under budget. So if you want to know all the hidden gems which is under 200 and works out for you without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video. The first face wash which I have for you is this Himalaya Neem face wash. It's a very old but good product. It will work on all the skin types. I have used this face wash throughout my teen life altogether. It does not give me any bruise or a pimple or any. It is just for 65 rupees, guys. You do not need to spend not even 100 bucks for this one. It works like a wonder to me, at least. There is another face wash which I want to talk about. The other one which I personally like and I still use it, but it's not with me at the moment. I'll put up a picture right here. That's a Nivea Milk face wash. They comes with a lot of different variant. I had the variant with the sensible skin type. It works wonders to me. That also consists for just 100 rupees. Yes, it works really wonderful, at least for me. You can definitely try out that face wash, guys. For the toner category, I have two options I would like to suggest. The first one is this Rose Sip toner from the Good Vibes. This is retail for only 175 rupees, and you definitely get this in your sale or something like that for 100 rupees or 120 rupees. I have used a pomegranate one in the same category. You can definitely try this. This is a Rose Sip one. This is also very nice. I'm halfway through. You can definitely use this as an alternative to the rose water. The second toner recommendation, I would like to give you the rose water as the toner, because rose water is very calming. It will work on all the skin type, be it any concern you have. So I would like to suggest some rose water which is under budget and which works without any chemical in it. I know the Kama Ayurveda rose water is really nice. Everyone raves about it. I myself love that water. I use that on a daily basis as well, but that is not under budget. It is for 250 bucks, so that is crossing our 200 budget line. So for the alternatives, I have been trying a different rose water which works for me, and I would like to suggest this rose water from the Dev Herbs. This is one of the new brand which is not quite famous on the YouTube or Nykaa as well, but their products are quite promising. I really like. I have been trying out the rose water from some days now. You can see I have used quite a bit of it. This is also one of the clear rose water, something like a Kama Ayurveda one. It does not have any fragrance. It's really like a very calming thing when your skin is super irritated or after makeup or something like that. You should definitely check this out, guys. Next up, we have a moisturizer, guys. Moisturizer also I would like to suggest two different categories or options for you. So I am currently using the Pond's light gel moisturizer. It is extremely lightweight and it does not clog my pores. It gives me the hydration which I really need as per my skin type. It consists of 175 rupees. Okay, it consists of 149 only. Next moisturizer I would like to suggest, guys, is this from Biotique, which is a morning nectar. This is one of the moisturizers which I have been using for I think 2 to 3 years now. I have been loving the consistency of it. It consists of only 199 rupees, but you definitely get Biotique on 30% off on Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, anywhere. It's a very affordable brand. At the same time, it does not, this particular moisturizer does not contain any sort of a paraben and everything. So you can definitely go and try this. Next recommendation from my side when it comes to a moisturizing category, if you want an instant glow, definitely try this out. This is a face sheet mask. This is variant in a Garnier one. Okay, you can definitely try the Face Shop one, Innisfree one. हर एक वाले 100 रुपए में आते हैं. कोई भी लो. आपका फेस बहुत ज़्यादा डल लग रहा है, ड्राई लग रहा है, आपको मेकअप करना है, कहीं जाना है, खुद को अच्छा फील करना है, जो भी है, मतलब जो भी रीज़न है, try the face sheet mask. Okay, this stuff I would like to recommend is a face scrub, guys. Yes, face scrub is also very important. I know I have talked about chemical peel in the past, but many people are not comfortable using this. They do like the facial and physical scrub. I would like to recommend two different scrub for a different skin type depending upon your liking and your budget. First recommendation from my side is this Aroma Magic facial scrub. This retails for 175 rupees only. I like to have use this once in a week. Before, if I was using the chemical peel, this is really nice. You definitely need to try this. It's very calming. The particles are not at all harsh. It is very lightweight particles, a gel based consistency. It will not irritate your skin, not give you a red rash or anything. The next recommendation in terms of face scrub category from my side, guys, is this Biotique Visible Face Wash. I know it's a face wash, but definitely try this as a scrub. It is not as gentle as face wash should be, but it is definitely have the quality of a face scrub. If you want to get rid of all the dirts after the makeup or something like that, definitely try this out. It does retail for 175 rupees only. Next up, I would like to recommend a sunscreen. I would highly recommend this Neutrogena sunscreen. This is many dermat recommend this. I have been recommended this in dermat in my teenage, and I have used this since like that time, and I really like it. This is a bigger tube, but yes, you get a smaller tube in 170 rupees only. You get it under like 140 also in a discount. Definitely try this out. It does not give you a clock pore or anything. It does not give you a white cast as well. It is 50 SPF, which is good if you are going out inside as well. It will not give you any irritation or anything that other sunscreen give. So definitely try this out. Next up, I would like to recommend a lip balm, which I have recommended I think 2 to 3 times in the different videos, but I don't know, people do not talk about it at all. So I would like to promote that a lot. Trust me, none of the products are sponsored from this video or any of my video rather. This is a Biotique lip balm, guys. This is a lip balm which I have been consistent with last 3 years. I can definitely say that in the winter currently as well, everyone can use it. I have used quite a few of this. This is a new tub and you can see like मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया है यार इसको. मेरे पूरे फैमिली में बहुत लोग यूज़ करते हैं इसको. ऑब्वियसली आई हैव अ 2 to 3 डिफरेंट लिप बाम्स विच आई लाइक एंड विच इज़ एक्सपेंसिव, बट ये 175 रुपीज़ में आपको बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है. नेक्स्ट अप, आई वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड अ बॉडी moisturizer, like a body lotion. For that, I would highly recommend the Vaseline body lotion in the cocoa variant. That is one of my favorite. You do get that for 99 or 120 rupees. I don't have one with me at the moment, but I would highly recommend it. I will definitely put the picture right here. You can definitely check that out. Vaseline is one of the brand which we all are using and our I don't know मतलब हमारे ancestor से यूज हो रहा है वो ब्रांड. बहुत पुराना ब्रांड है, बहुत ट्रस्टवर्दी ब्रांड है एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली इट वर्क्स. There is another moisturizer which I would like to recommend from Biotique. Yes, again, this is another Biotique moisturizer which is a white orchid one. This is a very small and tiny tube. It is one of my travel moisturizers. The consistency is extremely nice for the Mumbai weather. I'm not sure how much it will work around in the northern areas, but it is definitely working for Mumbai weather. It's not extremely chilly, extremely hot either, so it works around for me. Next up, I would like to recommend the aloe vera gel. There are a lot of people who are not blessed with a clear skin and they need something to calm their acne down, to remove the rash or something like that. I have been planning to do a dedicated aloe vera gel videos. I have been collecting aloe vera gel here and there and I'm trying it out for you guys, and I will definitely post that video super soon. But at the moment, which my family have used for quite some time, that's something I would like to recommend you guys, and that is this Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is how it looks like. You can see we are almost halfway through, and this is only for 60 rupees. Like genuinely it is for 60 rupees. It is colored gel, I know, but it's not at all like annoying consistency. Fragrance nahi hai bilkul bhi isme. It will not give you any itchiness after applying it. It's very calming and soothing sort of a gel. Next up, I would like to recommend is a face pack. Yes, under 200 rupees face pack, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे and expensive Fuji brand से. If you have any guesses, please stop the video and comment down right now. I would definitely like to suggest this a capsule pack of Innisfree. I would like to give you guys, you can use this. This is 150 rupees का इतना सा कंटेनर आता है, इतना सा कंटेनर है. एंड मुझे भी इनिशियली लगा था यार इसमें क्या ही आएगा, मतलब एक बार ही लगा लोगे आप, मतलब मुझे लगा था मैक्स 2 या 3 बार लग जाएगा, बट इट सरप्राइज मी. इट हैज़ आउटडन मी. लाइक to no other level. I have two variants in this. This is a green tea version and this is the main the volcano. I have used this up more than 4 to 5 times and the amount it is still there, and which I was surprised enough, and that's why I got another one because I wanted to try something a small size first because I have lots of face pack and मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि मैं ले लूँ और मैं यूज़ ना करूँ एंड अच्छा ना लगे तो वेस्ट हो जाएगा, पैसे नहीं वेस्ट करने थे। तो मैंने सोचा था पहले मैं छोटा वाला ले लूँगी, अगर अच्छा लगा तो मैं बड़ा वाला ले लूँगी। मैंने ये 2 या 3 बार लगाया। I have seen the result. It is really calming my face down. It is like removing the pimple का मार्क या जो भी है। इसके लिए मैंने इसका बड़ा वाला वर्जन ले लिया है। But if you want to try the Innisfree का huge volcanic face mask, which is one of their best sellers, definitely try the capsule pack first. Next up, I would like to recommend is a hand cream, guys. So this is a hand cream which I have used quite a few times and I'm surprised by this. Like this is like a Good Vibes hand cream in the cherry blossom. Just 150 rupees. Try this out. Body Shop one does have the fragrance. This also does have a fragrance. It lasts as well. There is Aroma Magic hand cream as well. I will definitely put up a picture right here. I have used that quite a lot of time. I have gone through 2 to 3 tubs of that cream. This is product काफी अच्छा है. Definitely try करके बताना आपको कैसे लग रहा है ये use करके. Next up, I would like to give you the nail paint. Yes, which is under 200. I know all the nail paints, Nykaa के nail paints हो गए या मतलब K by Katrina के new nail paints are very good. It's classy and I myself want to get the nail paints, but then when I think about it, it's 200, 250, 300, 350 rupees की nail paint. Is it worth it? I wanted to use something which will not chip off within a week and at the same time it is not expensive. I have come across the Faces Canada. Yes, you heard me right. It's a very well-known brand in terms of makeup as well. So I have gone up and tried their nail paints. I have 2 of their variant. There is a this one is a splashed variant. I have 2 to 3 different shades. This is the shade Tango. Do the tango, sorry. This is the shade Do the Tango. This is a very good rusty orangey color. I really like it. I have seen a very similar color in the Nykaa variant as well, and that is for 250 rupees, and this is for under 100 rupees. I got it for 70 rupees, guys. Like मेरे को सेल में मिल गया था 70 का, but इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस भी 150 rupees ही है, ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. तो you can definitely try this. Next up, I would like to suggest is from the nail category, like nail care category only. This is a Vadi cuticle oil. Okay, listen me out. Like whenever you go to do a gel nail extension, personally I have not done it ever. This is something which they use. I'm not saying the same one, but the same sort of a oil. There is a roll-on sort of a category which they have, and they use it on your nails. I tried getting the different oils. I have seen it on Nykaa. It's very expensive. The OPI one is like $1,000. Like nail cuticle oil, $1,000. I'm not spending that much amount of money on nail cuticle oils. Then I come across one of the videos from Super Style. Okay, she have suggested like this is the oil. This is how it looks like. You can see it's a pretty decent oil. I have used it quite some. I have to roll it. That's it. This is costing me 60 rupees. 60 rupees. And OPI वाला 1000 rupees. मतलब 1/4 का भी 1/4 प्राइस से भी कम में आ रहा है यार. Try this out. Next up, I would like to recommend in terms of hair category. It's a hair serum. I know you must be thinking hair serum 200 रुपए के अंदर कैसे आता है. पर्सनली मैंने बहुत टाइम से लिवॉन का सीरम ट्राई किया है. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लिवॉन हेयर सीरम. दिस इज अ वेरी टाइनी बॉटल, बट इट वर्क्स. इट रियली वर्क्स. दिस वॉज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट हेयर सीरम आई हैव ट्राइड इन माई लाइफ. डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस आउट. इट वर्क्स. उन्होंने फॉर्मूला भी काफ़ी पूरा इंप्रूव करा है. अभी मैं बहुत सारे डिफरेंट सीरम भी यूज़ करती हूँ, बट मैं अभी भी ये यूज़ करती हूँ. मैंने ट्रैवल साइज में है मेरे पास, बट इट वर्क्स. इट इज़ फॉर 60 rupees. Next up, I would like to recommend is a nail remover, which is like actual nail remover like this one. So this is from Faces Canada, guys. If you want to use a nail remover for your toes or anything like that, you can definitely try this out. This cost only 99 rupees one. This is very transparent sort of a situation. इतना कुछ मतलब है नहीं, pinkish सा है, बहुत easily निकल जाता है. वन स्वाइप एप्लीकेशन में आपका नेल का काम हो जाता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती आपको. Definitely try this out. You will gonna thank me later. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like all my recommendation. I have tried my level best to give you all the 20 products which is under 200. Most of them are under 100, so you can definitely try that out. So you don't need to worry about the budget at all, and try the best of skincare which I can possibly suggest to you. Let me know how do you like them. Also let me know what do you want me to do next. Please follow me on the Instagram as well. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Bye guys.